Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. Bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy. This is really kind of a very special edition of my podcast. I'm sitting in my car. I'm in a part of Brussels that's called Etterbeek. And Etterbeek is the part of Brussels where the father of Tintin was born. So, since you did not give me any title to read another Tintin, I'm going to talk a little bit in French about the person who wrote the Tintin books, the Tintin comics, and in French they are called BD. It's like a B and a D. Bande, it's a strip. Dessiné, it means drawn. So drawn strips, that is BD. That is what we call in French the comic books. Okay, so I'm going to read the text in French. I will explain a few words, but try to understand. And it might be a good exercise to also listen to the text without reading immediately on the screen. The link to the document, it's always the same document, but it's beneath here in the comment section. So listen very well. Well, you know that the person who wrote Tintin, he's called Hergé. Le vrai nom, the real name, le vrai nom de Hergé est Georges Rémy. Les initiales de Georges Rémy sont RG. And that's why he's called Hergé, comes from his initials. Il est né le 22 mai 1907 à Bruxelles, en Belgique. Il est mort le 3 mars 1983. Il a écrit des bandes dessinées. Les plus connues, the most known, les plus connues, sont les aventures de Tintin. La famille de Hergé était très modeste. Quand il a 22 ans, il écrit pour le journal, le newspaper, le journal, le XXe siècle. La série Tintin au pays des Soviets. That was his first book. La série avait un très grand succès. Il est un des premiers, one of the first, un des premiers à reprendre le style américain de la bande dessinée, comics, à bulle. Bulle. Bulle is a bubble. That's where you write the text in the comics. So, the American style with bulle, bubbles. La publication du Petit 20e est arrêtée, was stopped. You can think of arrested, although it's not arrested, but stopped, quand la Belgique est envahie par les Allemands, and that's the hard part. Envahi means invaded. Belgium was invaded by the Germans. But in French, the Germans are Allemands. By the Germans en 1940. Hergé continue ses créations dans le journal Le Soir, qui est contrôlé par les Allemands, by the Germans. Le succès des aventures de Tintin continue, mais Hergé est accused de collaboration. À la Libération en 1944, la publication de Tintin est temporairement interdite. Temporarily forbidden. Temporairement interdite. Dans les années 1960 et 1970, Hergé écrit moins de BD, less comics. Mais Tintin devient une icône internationale, a international icon. Hergé meurt, he dies, il meurt d'une grave maladie du sang, a very serious illness of the blood, le sang, en 1983. Il ne voulait pas que d'autres livres de Tintin soient écrits après sa mort. À Louvain-la-Neuve, that's a city, à Louvain-la-Neuve, une ville universitaire de Bruxelles, une ville universitaire près de Bruxelles, near Brussels, not in Brussels, il y a le musée Hergé. There is a museum of Hergé where there are plenty of things about Tintin. So if you want me to visit the museum and to talk about it in French, please let me know. If you want me to read another book, please let me know. Thank you for having been with me, and I wish you a very, very happy, what day are we? We are Tuesday. I wish you a very happy Tuesday. I hope to hear you soon. Bye.